I'm only getting colder, wear a smile on my face, but there's a demon inside.
Alright, so this is basically the base of where the queue is. There's a whole bunch of construction and stuff behind me, but you go up, you walk there, I'll show you right now, and once you walk up this tiny hill, it may seem big, but trust me, it's nothing compared to the main one. See the red rope? You gotta follow it all the way up there. I'll take you up. So go up to the top. It's a nice little trail cut out here. Alright, so this right here is the base of our station. Not near complete, but this is just the base. Got some more construction stuff. So what you'll do is you'll actually walk here. You'll turn right here. There'll be a ladder. You're gonna go up the ladder, across onto the station. From the station, this is where your feet will be sitting. Your head will be way, way high up. Anyways, but you'll go drop down that huge hill and then climb up that tree about 10 feet beyond vertical. So yeah, that's what we got so far.